we go out of focus in day-to-day activities, situations, makes us really stressed and completely what we want to do, but we are completely somewhere else. How to bring back, align the mind with our focus? There are plenty of techniques can help us. Suddenly you want to realign yourself, then this is the technique can make a big difference. This is called Mukha Dhoti, which is an active exhalation with a passive inhalation. See, any time of the day you can do it. After a heavy meal, you just need to align yourself back in your focus. Yes, then do the lighter version, like something similar. This. Stand comfortably, rest the palms on your belly, inhale smooth and long through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale long and deep through the nose. Again. You may ask how it can align. See, mind disappears from your purpose. When to bring back, then you have to replace with some other alternate activities. The active exhalation is one of the quick activity which centers us. Okay, in case this is very comfortable, okay, you can take a little bit more challenging also. You can just make a little blowing out very actively. That is much more stronger. How it happens? Check it out. Do around 10-15 times in a stretch. It's the time the mind becomes fresh and active. Inhale smooth and long. Inhale long and deep through the nose. Inhale long and deep. You can do this on your chair, or if you are sitting in your car, sometimes you wanted to concentrate, but suddenly the distraction takes your mind out. How to bring back to your focus? Just sit on your car itself. If you are in a driver's seat, no problem. What do you need to do? Each time you say, I have a purpose, I am working on my purpose. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. So you know what happened? This is the time inhalation long and goes and comes to the mind. And whatever the heat develops in the body due to the distraction, that is thrown out through the mouth actively. All the warmness throws off and system calms down. This is one technique. The other technique you have, very simple again. What you need to do, you sit or stand or whatever condition you are there, only make sure the spine uplifted. From the hip to the head, uplifted. Take your hands on the waist in case you are standing. In case you are sitting on a chair or on the floor, just rest the hands on your thighs. And inhale through clench the teeth. Clench the teeth. Inhale through the teeth. Longest you can. Close the mouth. As long as you can. Then exhale through the nose. Just watch once again. See, inhale through the teeth, clenching the teeth and inhaling there. Longest possible, hold it. Without force. Then exhale through the nose. If possible, do around 10-15 in a stretch. Whichever condition you are there. You are traveling, which you are sitting, or in your office desk, or in another set or different condition you are there. But repeat around few times continuously. That will quickly realigns your mind, calms down the mind, and you center your focus very easily. There are many other techniques. These two can be quick fix. You can play with it. All the best and good luck.